Hi, my name is Anne and welcome to my channel Lilacs and Lilies. Today we will be talking about the difference between come and go and how we might get them a little confused while we're trying to talk about movement of something. So if you have a hard time with come and go, stick around and we're going to look at some examples and how we can use those correctly. So our first concept when we look at come versus go, we think about go for me is to go away from me, right? I will go to the store, go to school, go to my grandmother's house, go to Spain. We have this movement of me going away, right? But we also have come. But come feels a little different because come is more something coming in my direction. So my friend might come to my house, or I may say to my dog, come here. Come is more about something coming towards you or coming to where you are. Let's look at an example here. Let's say I have family in Spain. I could say, I am going to Spain to visit my family, right? But what would my family in Spain say? They would say, Anne is coming to Spain to spend some time with us, right? From their perspective, I am coming to them because they are the anchor. Come to them, right? But I am going away, so I am going because they are the anchor. Let's look at another one. I'm going to call a friend and say, are you coming? This would be asking, are you coming to my house? Are you coming to me? But if I say, are you going, right? Are you going to that party? It might be, are we going to that party together? Are we going away from each other? So we have these two different options. Think about come and go as your anchor. I am the come, right? Come to me. Come to visit, right? In my direction. But go is my away. What if I said something like, I will come back later? I will come back later. So I am implying that I will come back to where I am now, right? Let's say I have a friend or my husband is here with me. I'm saying, I'm going to go to the store, but I will come back later. I'm coming back to here. This is still my anchor. My house is still my anchor, right? Go to the store, come home, because I'm still at my house, right? That anchor will move with you. Come back to where you are, come back. Or we might have someone saying, come back to me, right? Come home. We know that they are at home. Or they saying, come back to me, right? Come in their direction. So that's our difference. We have come towards me, I am the anchor, and we have go, right? Going away. I hope this was helpful. Go ahead and put down in the comments any sort of examples that you find that might be a little tricky, and hopefully we'll be able to learn a little bit together. If you're interested in this type of video, I have a few more up here. You can check those out. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.